was a tilted toast when I asked her if I could call her your name. I thought I saw you in a rusty wood, dropping away the chair. I wandered over for a closer look. It's the way I was sitting there. She was close, and she squeezed me very tightly, till I asked her politely, please, can I call you a name? And I answered my little yeah, I really go a long way around. I smelled your scent on the seatbelt and kept my shop close to myself. I thought I saw you in a Paris beat. When the smoke around, it was too loud for me to hear her speak. And she had a broken arm, it was closed, man, it was so close that the walls were wet. She wanted to have it left for sex. No, you can't call me her name. So tell me, where's your hiding place? You see, I'm worried I'll forget your face. And now past everyone, I'm beginning to think I imagined you all along. One day I get to my phone. Yeah, I let it go a long way around. I smelled your scent on the seatbelt and kept my shorts to myself. Listen to Mr. Jimmy Cook and everybody on the selection. You can call me